In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about how you can get sales on TeePublic fairly quickly. This is something for people that haven't really used TeePublic, that want to start using it and that want to start getting sales. I myself have built a TeePublic store to just under 1,000 sales. So I do have some experience as for what works and what doesn't. If you're ready for this video, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into it. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print-on-demand shop. If you do happen to be new around here, please do click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way you won't miss out on future videos. We've actually helped a lot of people to make their first online sales. So if you want to be a part of that, make sure that you are sticking around. And for those who don't know, down in the description, I have a free print-on-demand starter guide that shares a lot of the information in regards of what I did when I first started to get sales. And if you are someone who's looking to turn this into more of a full-time thing, I do also have a paid step-by-step guide that's linked down in the description. So like I said, today we'll be talking about how to get TeePublic sales fast. I'm aiming this mainly towards people who haven't received their first TeePublic sale as of yet. But if you are someone who's been on TeePublic for a while, I'm sure you'll be able to use some of the information that I will be talking about. Now, in regards of how you can actually speed up the sales process for yourself, I'll be talking about 5 methods that work really well through TeePublic itself that you can use to get ideas, and methods you can also use to kind of stay updated as to what's new in regards of what's actually trending. And the first of those 5 methods actually involves using the homepage. When it comes to TeePublic, they actually have a lot of information packed at the front page. And just to show you what I mean, I've jumped onto TeePublic. As you can see on the home page, you have the search bar. Scroll down, you see hot sellers, Halloween, and then you have a bunch of editors picks just here. Now, everything that shows on the home page is there for a reason. This is something you guys need to realize. It's not just like this for TeePublic, it's like this for all print-on-demand websites. The things that they advertise on the homepage are things that are making them money, so they want to push it to more people in the hopes that they make more money. So for example, as we can see, this guy's wearing this t-shirt, this design that says hot sauce please. It's probably selling quite well on TeePublic. This girl's got a t-shirt that says love is love is love. That's probably selling quite well. And they've got something there that says it's never too early for Halloween designs, which means Halloween designs might already have started selling quite a lot through TeePublic. And all of this information is information you can use to get ideas for what to create, as well as niches to jump into. For example, straight away, they're telling you start making Halloween designs now. They've probably started getting traffic for them and they've probably started getting sales here and there. So you should take that information to act on that. Just make sure that you're understanding that the homepage is a place for inspiration in regards of what niches you should be designing for. And if you're someone who has no sales, this is what could potentially lead you to getting sales very fast. The second method involves searching through products. Now, when I say searching through products, this is important mainly because with various products, various designs are shown on the front pages of these products to show you what is actually working with different style of products. It's another way to collect up on ideas that are proven to work, proven to get people sales, because TeePublic would never advertise these things if they weren't selling. Once again, let's say I jump back on TeePublic and I go on kids apparel, kids t-shirts. You will see that a bunch of products obviously pop up that have a variation of different style of designs. We have some Lego based designs, you know, a lot of different things. Some of these things may fall under copyright, but it's never a good sign to obviously make the copyright based things, which is something I'll talk about on a different day. But for the most part, you do come across little things like this. Just a boy who loves garbage trucks. So this might be a niche you may want to go into, maybe recreating that in your own way. There's a design here that says master builder. Obviously it's Lego related. So if you're someone who's potentially looking to get some sales under kids clothing, you might try to do something similar but in your own way. And like I said, with different products, it's very different in regards of what sells. So if we go on adult apparel and then we go on t-shirts, you see that it is different to what we saw with the kids clothing. You've got a few different designs that we didn't see before. There's a lot of different styles of designs. I mean, TeePublic seems to be a lot more lenient, once again, to show you that depending on the products, the things that are doing well tend to differ. Every now and again you will see designs that are performing across multiple products, but for the most part, as you can see, there are different trending designs on different products. And yes, once again, you want to be using this information to kind of build your library of designs. That way you know that you're not just going in blind. One thing that's worked very well for me is keeping up with news or events. Now, if you're someone who's trying to keep up with news, you could always search through Google News to see if there's any information. But every now and again, events pop up, whether it be things like the Euros, which are happening now, or the Olympics, which are coming soon. You can always find a way to relate your designs to those niches. I mean, with the Olympics, I'm not saying use the Olympic logo and put it on a shirt. Stuff like that is straight up infringement and it will get taken down. So you kind of need to be a little bit more creative. For example, here we have a design that says "it's coming home." Now, I've trademark checked this, and the term "it's coming home" has no trademark on it. Obviously, a lot of the UK, England fans, obviously I'm in England, are pretty much singing this term all day and every day because England has done well in the Euros. But nevertheless, making a design for this niche on TeePublic, if you're someone who has no sales, it's something that could potentially get you a sale very fast. And I know I haven't mentioned this already, but when you do post new things onto TeePublic, they do actually put a discount on your design for 48 hours, which means people can get it for slightly cheaper, which means slightly less profits for you. But all these little things combined can lead to you getting the sales you may not be getting at the moment. And when it comes to news and events, you can also add in holidays, whether it's Christmas, Thanksgiving, or birthdays. Birthdays are pretty much an everyday thing. The fourth method you guys could be using is making sure that you're searching products by the newest. Now I'm going to quickly go on and show you an example of how to do this in a moment, but this is very useful because it shows you what people are actively posting right now. So if there's any particular trends that you haven't seen or you're missing out on through doing this, if you're seeing a similar trend in regards of a certain niche being posted over and over again by different people, you're then pretty much catching a trend early that you could potentially then make designs in your own way for. As you can see, I'm on TeePublic, and if you wanted to do that, you literally click search. You don't have to type anything, and you sort by newest. When you sort by newest, it will show you things that have literally just been posted. And as we go through, you're seeing there's a variation of different things. It's coming home, like I showed you before. Someone's literally just made a design on that. It's also a nice way of finding some niches you might have not have even thought about yourself. And the final of the 5 main methods is using effective keywords. Now, TeePublic is a sucker for keywords. The algorithm loves keywords, so you need to make sure that you're making the best use of them. I mean, for example, here, this is a design for someone who's turning 23. As you can see, it says 1998 limited edition. But when you look at the title, they've got vintage in there. TeePublic loves that. They've got 1998, which is also related to the birthday cassette tape, which is a niche in itself, 23rd birthday, which is another niche, and decorations. That is how you do a title specifically for TeePublic. The description is also very important. You can literally put the same things you have on the title. I like to go a little bit extra with the description by just trying to use as many related keywords as I can in a way that makes sense. And then finally, with the tags, you want to be making sure that you are using very similar keywords to what you have in the title and the description. Keep in mind that the TeePublic algorithm loves keywords, so you need to make sure that as soon as you have an idea, you can kind of figure out the best keywords to use around it. Right, guys, I'm also going to be doing TeePublic shop reviews, so if you have a TeePublic store and you'd like me to record it in my first ever TeePublic shop reviews video, make sure to go down in the description, and in that link, submit your shop name, your shop link, and I'll be sure to review your shops. And to finish us off, I've got a bonus method. investor. Now, this isn't within TeePublic. This is actually outsourcing research and outsourcing through Merch Informer. Now, Merch Informer is a website that pretty much tracks information from merch by Amazon or Amazon in general in regards of t-shirts that are selling well and trends and niches that are doing well. Now, when you use this site, you can actually find things that are trending either daily, weekly, monthly. And let's say, for example, you find something daily, you can literally jump onto that and you might even be one of the first people to make a design for it on TeePublic. So on Merch Informer, you just go on product research. You can go movers and shakers, which reflects things that are doing well pretty much right now. On the type, you can search daily, weekly, or monthly. But if we're looking for something that might not have a lot of competition, that might be new to the market, you want to make sure that you have daily there. Category, it's on shirts, which is perfect for TeePublic. And then the marketplace is set to US, which is the best t-shirt selling marketplace on Amazon for those who don't know. Right, so I've done a little bit of scanning through Merch Informer for you guys. I found this top here that says chop it like it's hot, which is a play on words of drop it like it's hot. BSR is within the 100,000s, which is low. It's getting 14 estimated sales per person, which is crazy. And if I was to actually jump on TeePublic and search this, so there's 4 pages here, as you can see, but there's no one who's recently posted a design under this niche. So if you was to post something under this niche using the correct keywords, you could potentially end up on the first page with the cheapest price, as well as whenever someone lists something newly for 48 hours, it's actually at a discounted price, which gives you a competitive advantage. So yeah, for those looking to get to a bit more of an advanced state using TeePublic, making a little bit more money, investing in sites like Merch Informer can pretty much take you to the next level. That's what I've done in regards of my TeePublic store and my Redbubble stores. And if you're looking to do that yourself, all the links for that will be down in the description. Nevertheless, I'm going to end the video here. For anyone who's made it to this point of the video, down in the comment section, comment down TeePublic money, because we're all about to get this TeePublic money. And nevertheless, always remember that everything is rigged in your favor and manifest success.